What do I wish?
Susah nak jaga Faizal Ali. Dia ada pengalaman banyak. Dia ada national cap semua.
Kenapa awak pakai baju JDT hari ni?
Baju Selangor dah kecil.
Okay, Noah, congratulations on 3 point. Overall, how do you feel about tonight performance?
I think overall it was a good performance from us. I think we dominated most of the game and they didn't really get like many chances. But of course we could have scored more. But I think winning 1-0 is enough for us.
This win moves Selangor to the second place in the league. What positive side can you take from tonight match?
Oh yeah, of course that's our target for the season. And there's many teams, many good teams that we're competing with. So it's really important to keep close to them and compete for the second place. Yeah, I hope they will continue to come to watch us, and it's really helps us and gives like extra boost for us to do well. So it's really important for us.
Pada saya agak play safe untuk kedua-dua pasukan. Tapi luck for Selangor lah sebab dapat convert to score. And Negeri Sembilan pun bermain dengan baik untuk second half. It's a good game lah untuk kedua-dua team. But kudos to Selangor untuk dapatkan 1 gol dan 3 mata.
Okay, hari ni kita tak ada rezeki lah. Cuma kita nak boleh improve lagi segi attacking dengan defending.
Hari ni awak menjaga Faizal Alim dengan cukup baik. Mungkin boleh share sikit lah macam mana awak berjaya menyekat beberapa asakan ataupun kelincahan yang Faizal Alim lakukan hari ni.
Susah nak jaga Faizal Ali. Dia ada pengalaman banyak. Dia ada national cap semua. Jaga dia susah.
Performance awak sendiri macam mana awak rasa? Berpuas hati atau perlu improve beberapa part?
Saya ingat tak puas hati lah yang masa set pieces kita boleh improve lagi. Segi set pieces dengan connect semua. Untuk support hari ni support semua, thank you lah untuk adik lah. Mungkin minggu depan, saya ingat minggu depan kot game lawan Immigration. Saya ingat boleh lah, kualiti 3 mata.